Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to review this executive chair with massage, comfort reclining executive chair in Lazada. So, as you can see, this is made of PU leather. It has the cable and the massage. So, for a 6-footer like me, this is not good because the backrest is not that tall, so my head is not being supported. But if you're 5 feet below, then you are good with this product. Some of its feature is the 360 degrees swivel function. It has adjustable height, it has a footrest, and it's easy to assemble. And as you can see, here is the process of assembling the chair. So you can start with the base and the rollers. It is shown on the map. So here I'm now unboxing the the wheels. So you have to push it until it snaps. So you should use your thumb like this, then you will hear a snap when you push it. You press it. Leave it up, yeah, like that. It will have a snap. Then after that, you put it the middle, the trunk, this one you see on the step 1. Then on the 2, you need to assemble the base seat. So it has clear instruction, and you just need to screw it. As you see, these are metals, so it's really sturdy. So I am 124 kilo, and it supports my weight. It has the capacity of 150 kilos, so I think it's very durable. But I really don't like the height. But the width of the seating, the the chair, the cushion, it's really good, and the backrest, the double layer is really good. And here the step 3, you need to assemble. You need to put it on the center, then you have to give it a push, and that one, you see the step 5, you need to put the seat and attach it there. You just give it a push, and you turn on the roller so that it will lock it in, and you can recline it if you want. You'll also have that option. But then the last part is the handle. So it has 4 screws for the handle. So it's really easy to assemble. Probably take you around 30 minutes, 20 minutes to assemble this. And make sure you don't screw lock tight the first screw. You make sure that you put the 2 screws first before you make it tight, so that it will fit perfectly, or else you would not be able to lock it up. So here is my wife testing the chair. She's around 5 or 4'11", I don't know. So but it really suits her, the chair. So really likes the the massage feature. It is vibrating on your back, so it can really make you relax if you are on a stressful situation in your work. Then you need to relax, then you just press on your chair, then it'll massage your back. So yeah, as you can see, she's really laughing. Okay, then it is what you call this, vibrating. It has different modes. When you click the red button, it has a different modes. So yeah, the footrest is also a nice addition. So but it doesn't really help on my head because I have a long legs. So but for her it's really comfy. And it's this me you can see I'm really big. So what you call this, the backrest is not really supporting my head. It's supporting my back. So I need a bigger seat. So okay, so let's try it again. So overall, this is a very good purchase for 3,999. I think I bought this around 3,500 in Lazada because of the sale and their vouchers, etc. I bought it around 3,500. So for this price, this is really good for the back. It has 5-star rating in Lazada, around 191 rated 5 stars. So this is really good. So this is really bang for the buck, especially if you are going to for online school, work from home. I think this is a really good investment for you, especially if you are what you call this, normal size and you're under 5 feet, 5 below. 5'11", 5'10", probably it will be good because your head will be on the rest already. So that's about it. I enjoy this montage.